Morning YouTubers. So last night it started to rain. I didn't get a chance to film the end of what I was doing. Sort of grabbed everything, covered it up and ran for it. But it's dried up again now, so back on with it. So I'll turn you around and show you what I've done and what I'm planning to do today. Was the window finished, and started working away down the wall there with the stud-work. So now it's on with this window here and this stud-work here. That's completed. That was already completed. And probably I'm going to go down that wall there to there and that wall there, and that'll be this third once that bit's done. Oh sorry, no, I'm lying, aren't I? There's a window to go in there, but once I've got that done, that's 1/3 of the place done. So that's it. That's the last nail I've put in. There is no more left now. I have to go to Ozone, which is about just up the road here, about 1 kilometre, and collect my next 3,000 nails. But it's a Sunday, so and it's quite nice weather, so I was thinking more along the lines of I've got some stuff to move about. There's like material down here, material over there that needs to be moved inside, stacked up and sealed up, ready for the winter. So my plan is to do that today, and then tomorrow morning I'll go and collect the nails and then continue on with what I'm doing. Good morning YouTube, we are on day 37 and the start of the stud work for the walls, windows, doors, etc, etc. So I'll turn you around and show you what I'm going to do. So my plan today is to get this wall here, this is the kitchen entranceway into the terrace, to get it completely studded out. So we've got the doorway there, we've got the window there, some stud work there, some stud work there, some stud work there. All, so this third of the house I would like to get finished. I'm not sure if I'll get it all done, because there's actually 1, 2, 3 windows in here, so, and corners as well. I'm not sure how much timber I've got, so, but anyway, let's get on with it. So the first job this morning is to get this doorway done. That's the first plan, and it's an outside wall, so between each layer of timber has to have a layer of insulation, otherwise you get drafts through there. So first job is to get the insulation on this wall. So today I've moved on to the old Chinese battery powered sprayer. The reason is that the pressure sprayers keep getting blocked up every 2 minutes. It's like, I've had enough of it. Just, they need to be, basically in the antiseptic there's like leftovers, if you like, asadkin or something, and it blocks up the holes, and it's like one thing after with this. All to unblock, all I have to do is just unconnect that, pull that off, put that under the pressure washer, under the compressor, just blow it through, and that's it. It's just clear again. Only takes a second, so it's quite useful like that.